What is Favicon and Shopify? Favicon size and free generator tools. Back in the earliest days on the internet, favicons were considered as an effective way to estimate the traffic of a website by counting the numbers of visitors who bookmarked the page. However, nowadays the main reason that favicons exist to improve user experience. A website without favicon is more likely to lack its generic browser symbol. What about favicons on Shopify? How can a favicon be so important that every online store on Shopify should pay attention to how to embed a favicon for your Shopify store? To answer all of these questions, just read this article and I believe all your wonderings will be answered. What is favicon on Shopify? To go straight into the questions of what a favicon is, then a favicon is a small iconic image that is created to show a graphical representation of the site being visited, which represents your website. The word favicon is pronounced as favicon. It is commonly found in the address bar of your web browser, or they can be added in the list of bookmarks of web browsers and feed aggregators as well. When your website gets a well-designed favicon with a matching style of the logo or theme, as a consequence, users will have a quick and easy way to recognize your website from a very first glance. Here is one example of Shopify's favicon, which is displayed in the Microsoft Edge address bar. Types of Shopify favicon. Normally, a favicon is often recognized as PNG, GIF, and JPG formats for the most modern browsers like Chrome or Firefox. However, when it comes to the Internet Explorer, these formats seem not to work. Hence, it is recommended to move on the Microsoft ICO format because it works in all browsers. Shopify favicon size. Favicons are usually small square images. It is the minimum version, but there are many different sizes on one ICO file. There are also 32 by 32 and 48 by 48 versions in case users drag the bookmark to their desktop. Then they will see another scale version of the icon instead of the 16 by 16 version stretched out. On most occasions, you will meet these sizes for favicons, including 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 48 by 48, 64 by 64, and 128 by 128. Free Shopify favicon generator. You don't need to be a designer to create yourself a Shopify favicon when using the right tools. The tools you need to Shopify favicon generator that allows you to create a favicon simply by uploading a pre-existing image. All you need to do is uploading your logo to one of the following sites and download the favicon file. In order to help you find the favicon generator that suits your needs, the top 5 list of entirely free Shopify favicon generator below will help you a lot in finding one. Logester, favicon generator org, favicon.com, how to add favicon on Shopify. Conclusions, table of content. What is a favicon on Shopify? Types of Shopify favicon size.